Here they come, here they come. Look at this. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. It's a beautiful sunrise and I am at the coast. I'm going to try to photograph the common eider. It's not too much wind as well, so hopefully I'm going to get the common eiders in like beautiful light, and yeah, so fingers crossed something will turn up. I can see some eiders way back out in the sea there, but if I'm waiting here long enough, I hope they will come closer so I can get some photograph. But yeah, in the meantime, I just have to wait. All I have is those swans there, but still there's some eiders out. Looks like some of them are getting a little bit closer. It's really important to get down low when you're shooting waterfowl. You separate the background and the foreground so much more, and the bird pops out of the image. So you get a much more intimate picture out of getting low as possible. For me, I cannot get low enough, almost touching the ground or the water. So yeah, I really love those kind of looks and images. But can be challenging, both like if you're having problem with your health or back or whatever, can be challenging. I know that, but also it's not every places that are ideal to getting low. Here is a bit challenge because there's a lot of rocks in the area, so you cannot like get a good enough and comfortable position here. But it is manageable and so nice when you're getting those low angle images. They are starting to getting closer and closer, so hopefully it will come close enough so I can get some pictures. I have my D4S on, and I have experienced that they can come really close here. Around here they are fishing for some sea stars and shells, and it's a really good area here for them to find food. So hopefully, if I'm waiting long enough, they will come. They will come. When there is like full sun like now, I am around ISO 640 to 800 at f4, and I got shutter speed from 4,000 to 5,000, and that should be enough to free some action if some wing flapping and yeah, some chasing around or anything action. So I'm prepared. This is so much fun. Now the common eider is a lot closer here. And I must say, beautiful, beautiful light. So perfect condition. The only challenge here is how I'm going to lay down here between these hard and big rocks. It's a bit challenge to find a good position that is comfortable. I put my tripod down in the water, so I'm getting the water level. Here they come, here they come. Look at this. It's so cool to see them, how they are diving down in the bottom of the sea here. It's a perfect ground for them here to dive down and hunt for food. It's so cool. See this little flock of birds. So the male is so beautiful. I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Skillshare is an online learning community. Here you can find all kind of courses. If you want to learn more about Lightroom, there is a lot of courses on Lightroom going into depth, and also with Photoshop. If you have bought a new camera, you can also find courses that will go through and learn everything about that camera, so you are prepared when going out in the field. When I started photography 10 years ago, I had thirst for knowledge, and the best way I learned was through video. I wish I had this tool back then, but for those of you starting now, this is a perfect tool. Compared to other learning communities online, this is actually really affordable. Under $10 per month, and you have access to everything. For the moment, I am taking a course on how to unlock my potential, which really goes into depth of identifying my good and bad patterns. This has been really good for me when building this channel here. You can also follow teachers that you really like. And I really enjoy the teacher here, Emma Gannon, which explained this in a really good way. Also, you can learn some new stuff if you like languages, if you like drawing, if you like to learn how to paint. Whatever you want, you can actually find a video about that here on Skillshare. The first thousands of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a free trial of premium membership, so you can start explore yourself. So once again, thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Oh, here's a male, here's a male.